today let's talk about toppers. So I normally wear wigs. I love alternative hair because my hair just does not hold a style. I curled it this morning, and if I step outside in 2 seconds, it's going to be flat and limp and just blah. I also am very unhappy with my hairline and my part. I've lost hair in these areas just for various reasons. So alternative hair to me is the easiest and simplest way and cheapest really for me to get the hair of my dreams. So I've got a topper though that I've started to really enjoy. It's a little bit different from the other toppers that I've tried, and let me tell you why. So this is Breeze by UniWigs. It's a human hair topper and it's beautiful. The color is beautiful. It's on a root, which I absolutely love. But y'all, this topper also has a halo wire. And so what this is going to do is help secure the topper. And we're going to try to not even use these front clips here. So if you're like me and have some sensitivity right here and just really can't stand the feel of a topper clip because you have thin hair and it feels like it's pulling, I think with this halo wire, we can not use the front clips. We're going to try anyway. All right, so to put this topper on, I'm just going to secure my own hair in a low ponytail. Right there. And then I'm going to take the topper and have the cap face away from me. Then I'm going to find the halo wire. I'm gonna get the hair out of it. Oops. Oh my goodness. Okay, so as I hold the halo wire up, the front of the cap is gonna bend backwards, and I'm just gonna place that against my forehead, and then I'm gonna put this under my ponytail. I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see what I'm doing. And flip the topper over. So the halo wire, you can adjust it. You can make it tighter, you can make it looser, whatever you need to do for your hair. And because it has a lace front, it can replace your hairline. That's what I'm most excited about because I just don't like my hairline. I've got some bald spots really. All right, so let's make sure the topper's on straight. The two tabs where the halo wire, I wanna make sure that's even. Pull this down. Now, it does have clips in the back, which I'm going to open up and use. I'm gonna scoop my hair up and clip them tight, but I am not gonna use the two clips that are right here. They're closed, and I'm not even gonna open them. And y'all, look at this topper. So I can pull some of my own hair out just to blend the edges. And with that halo wire there, it's just gonna kind of hold it in place. Let me spin all the way around. Look at the coverage. This topper has a lot of hair. It's not dense in that it's unnatural looking, but it has a lot of hair to offer you a lot of coverage. My own hair is a little bit shorter than the topper, and I actually trimmed about a 1/2 inch off this topper just to make it look more like me. And then I curled it, and y'all, I think this is like the perfect hair. We can even put it in a low pony. Let's find. We're going to use this bright orange scrunchie because it's all I can find. But with a topper, you can make it look more like your own hair in a ponytail than you can with a wig because your own hair is underneath. Isn't it cute? What a great way, even if you didn't want to wear the topper, you could absolutely use it to make your ponytail look better. I just think it's adorable. If you felt like you wanted the halo wire to be even tighter, here is the little piece. All you have to do is slide that up and pull the end of the halo wire out. You don't want to cut that off because that's what you're going to use to tighten or loosen the tension on the halo wire. And because the halo wire is so fine and clear, I can't even find the end. No one's going to see it. Okay, here we go. And then I'm just going to push that little edge up and pull that, and that's just tightening it. So if you needed to tighten it because you're not going to wear the front clips, you can do it while it's right on your head. You don't even have to take it off. My new favorite topper, and it's one that I'm going to wear probably quite often. I absolutely love the color, and the style is beautiful. It feels like my own hair. It just, to me, is the hair of my dreams, the hair I've never been able to achieve without adding some alternative hair. And this is such an easy way to do it because I don't have any clips clipping into my sensitive areas. It's not going anywhere. I can, move around. I can tuck it behind my ear. I can do all the things that I do with my topper, and it's going to stay put. So this is by UniWigs. It's called the Breeze Human Hair Topper with Halo Wire. I got it in the 12-inch and trimmed it about a half an inch, but it's pretty perfect.